And while I've got the ladder out, I'm going to try and get some bug-free lights happening out here. These 3 lights along here. And what I've done, I've put some auto lens repair tape, and I've tried that on the, I've got a leak in the back indicator, so I've tried it on here, but it has split, so I'll put another piece on there. But I'm going to try it on these lights to hopefully make them bug friendly. Let's see how we go. Now, you can tell how hot it is here. I left my phone out on the chair over there, and for the first time ever that I've had a phone, it said too hot, cool down. I've got 3 strips here of this auto lens repair tape. I guess the trick is now to peel it off the backing and get it stuck up there without getting it stuck on one of my fingers and everywhere else. Let's give it a go. Now I've got those up, and I guess the proof will be in tonight when we turn them on. It keeps the bugs away. A lot of flies here. A few mosquitoes. But hopefully that'll help out. Just keep in mind it's the middle of the day, but I've got this light on off here, and that's the original. We'll go around and compare it to our new lights, just switch the awning. So you can see even during the day it is cloudy at the moment, but there's a bit of orange. So let's see how it goes tonight. Keep the bugs away. Might even have a fire tonight. Okay, this is the white light at the back of our Crusader. We'll come around here and have a look at the ones I put the tape on. I have taken it on the angles, it's too windy tonight. And then some quite orange. Come out of one, but I don't see any bugs hanging around there. So, definitely a better look. As long as the bugs go away, I'll be good. Can't see it at the moment.